why car people are the best. And there's the fire department's here. So as soon as the fire department gets here, probably gonna go ahead and roll out in a second. Hey everybody, welcome back to Brailsford's Rides. Today is the big day. So I've been planning a special birthday cruise for Maddox. His birthday's not official till August, but with the baby coming, we didn't want to risk something happening and not being able to do it. So we got it all set up here. That's my mom right there going over to there. Oh, that's her Grabber Orange California Special. So we got the family here, and we're going to go meet up over in the parking lot in a little bit with a whole bunch of cars. The fire department's coming out. It's gonna be a big deal, guys. It's gonna be a cool one. Got the boys' cars out here, kind of show everybody which house they're looking for. It's hard to miss, especially with the balloon in the cars. And it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm really excited about this. I think Maddox is gonna be super stoked. He enjoyed the last one, I think more than Leighton did last year for Leighton's. When Leighton had one, we did one last year for Leighton's. And I think that, yeah, I think Maddox was jumping up more than Leighton was. Leighton was kind of in shock, but it's going to be a big surprise, and he's going to really love it. Now my wife killed it. Check out this cake she got me.
Look at that thing. I just painted the frosting, man. That's awesome. It's not one of those like screen printed pictures. She actually drew it with frosting.
All right, so we're here. Got a bunch of people starting to show up. I don't know how many are going to come. We're pretty early still, so we still got almost 30 minutes, but that nastiness, hopefully it stays away. It's awful. Horrible weather. This is why car people are the best. And there's the fire department's here. So as soon as the fire department gets here, we're probably gonna go ahead and roll out in a second. All right, lots of cars here. We're about to form up and roll out. All right, guys, we're rolling out. Man, look at this downpour. I can't get over the support in the car community, man. Unbeatable. Everybody who is here, I greatly appreciate you even coming. And we're gonna get through. Oh, they're all out there. I see them. Hopefully they really enjoy this.
You can't go out there too. You gotta stay right there. Can you wave? Marshall. Can you wave?
The daddy go.
Look, wave. Can you wave to all these people? I got it. I'll hold it. You know that guy? Yeah. Wow, he's loud. Can you keep waving? Look at all these people. You went through the parade. There's more cars. Can you keep waving? Yeah. He's loud. Oh, there's a police car. Look at that. Can you wave? Look.
Happy birthday.
Yay!
The daddy.
That was super cool of everybody to come out. Let me turn my AC off. Way too loud. Super cool of everybody to come out, man. I greatly appreciate everyone who did roll out with us, and I'm hoping Maddox actually came out of his shock state. He looked like he was in shock standing there. He didn't expect any of that. Fire truck rolled up, blaring the siren, handed him a hat. He didn't know what to do with it. Oh, it was funny as hell. All right, guys, but I'm gonna go meet up with all these people. Thank them for coming out if they want to come back by and talk. Your car's too quiet. We can do it again. Now it's not raining. Everyone had so much fun in the rain. We're going through again.
Can you wave, Maddox? Wave, Maddox!
Oh, Mr. Mahoney, stop it. Mr. Mahoney, stop. Uncle Marshall went like
Ooh, that's loud.
I forgot what is Jackson. And you give a dirty water. Hey, Mr. Mahoney. If I could ride that to my brother play.
It's coming, buddy. Later, Mike. Appreciate you coming, buddy. Thanks for coming, guys. Thanks for coming, Don. Thanks for coming, man.